Okay, welcome to lecture number 23. In last two lectures, lecture 21 and 23, we found out how to calculate simple interest in 21, lecture number 21, and how to find out compound interest in lecture number 22. So you will find that in last two lectures we are dealing with little bit of algebra, and we will continue to do so for 2 or 3 more lectures, because the basic algebra that you are required to know must be known at this stage, so that we can deal with higher level difficulty geometry problems, and geometry problems should be solved if there is some algebra involved in that. So in lecture 23, straight away we go to the content. First is solving simple equations. It is simple equations is an equation which is in one variable, which is x, and it does not have any power. So it is basically linear equation in one variable. So I take the most difficult one, x by 3 minus half is equal to x by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now I hope by this time you must be aware of how to solve this type of equations, but let me demonstrate. X by 3 minus x by 5 is equal to 3 by 2 plus half. So I take the variable part on one side and the constants on the other side. So I take LCM of this is 15, so 5x minus 3x, which is equal to, that is 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 is 2. So this makes 2x is equal to 30, x is equal to 50. Fairly simple. So this type of simple equations are given in your exercise number 1. They are many in number, 12. You should solve, practice, check your answers whether they are correct or not. In second section we have factorization a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Why a square minus b square gets factorized to a plus b into a minus b? Because a plus b into a minus b, a square plus ab minus b square is a square minus b square. That is the reason why a plus b and a minus b gets multiplied to a square minus b square, and why a square minus b square gets factorized to a plus b into a minus b. So using this identity, there are 3 problems in the classwork. Let me take the third one. 9a square minus 25b square can be factorized at, can be viewed as a 3a raised to 2 minus 5b raised to 2, which is in this form. Therefore it will factorized as 3a plus 5b into 3a minus 5. That is the answer. This is second kind of problems that we are dealing with. And the third kind of problems is basically the factorization of a cube plus b cube, which is another standard factorization. Why a cube plus b cube get factorized into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square? Because if these two guys are multiplied, we get this. That is the simple answer. And how will a cube of minus b cube get factorized? It is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so if you can see the difference of two cubes, then use this method to factorize them. Now let me take the one example. 64a cube plus 8b cube can be viewed as 4a raised to 3 plus 2b raised to 3, and therefore using the first formula I get factorization of this as 4a plus 2b into 4a square minus 4a into 2b plus 2b square. This is what is going to be the factorization of the third type of identities. This lecture we just drill all these identities. We ask students to factorize, we ask students to solve simple equations, and plenty of practice is given, about 15, 30, 42 problems in the homework, but all of them are easy. I am sure you will be able to solve it. Thank you. See you in lecture 24.